Have suspended flights in and out of Israel's main airport because of fears a plane could be hit by Hamas rockets. Israel condemned the move, insisting its airspace is safe.
A quiet Ben Gurion airport. Normally it's a bustling hub, but more airlines have decided not to fly to Israel. If a Hamas rocket can hit a house by the airport, it could hit a plane. Israel has expressed disappointment with the airline's decision to stay away.
The real answer to the danger of flying is not to stop the flights, but to stop the rockets which are endangering the flight.
And if Israel is unhappy that Hamas has crippled its international travel, Ban Ki-moon was there today pressing the matter of Palestinian casualties.
As the Secretary General of the United Nations, I cannot and I will not be silent in the face of this tragedy. I mourn the loss of so many innocent lives in Gaza, and I grieve with the families.
Even as international pressure increases, the war continued unabated from both sides. This Palestinian says she's ready to strap on an explosive device and fight. Today, the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights outlined instances where she believed Palestinian civilians had not been protected by Israel. These included roof knocking, the practice of firing Dud missiles at homes about to be attacked as a warning, the July 16th attack on a beach that killed 4 children, the July 21st attack on a hospital that killed 3 and wounded dozens.
These are just a few instances where there seems to be a strong possibility that international humanitarian law has been violated in a manner that could amount to war crimes.
This council sits in judgment of Israel. There can be no moral symmetry between a terrorist aggressor and a democracy defending itself. Mr. President, Madam High Commissioner, in the protection of the human rights of Israelis, this Council and you, Madam, have failed dismally.
In the meantime, there have been calls here to donate medical supplies to Gaza's overwhelmed hospitals.
We're trying to organise a container of medical aid in the name of Ireland to be sent to the people of Gaza, and we're hoping that the Irish Red Cross would actually facilitate such thing.
US Secretary of State John Kerry has spent the day talking with all sides, pushing towards a ceasefire, but he says there's more talking to do. Carole Coleman, RTE News.
Now, still